Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for the upcoming week of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 21st of October, suspicions rise against Jabu, but he seems ready to outsmart everyone. Kuzwayo sees Samke as just as of a victim as Mbali from the version of the story he knows. Meanwhile, Vilepi discovers devastating news about Ukaniso. Then on Tuesday, all hell breaks loose when Jengaya finally unmasks Jabu's real identity. Peteni's feathers get ruffled by an unexpected guest's arrival. A humiliated Vilepi finds solace in Vuma's arms, and a shameless Dlaminis shows up to make one last request, but it doesn't go well. Then on Wednesday, fear and tragedy stalk the Sibongile company celebration when it quickly descends into a crime scene. Jabu leads the charge against the family. In the chaos, Wenzo suffers much to the horror and hurt of everyone. Samke continues to play an unsuspecting Kuzwayo. Guys, it looks like it's going to be an interesting yet somewhat of a dangerous week, because I don't know what game is Usamke playing with Ukuzwayo. It looks like there's a developing story between Usamke and Umbali. I don't know, with some Sangoma that Umbali visited. I don't know what's the story there, but I really hope Usamke is careful, because Ukuzwayo is not there all innocent, you guys. Also, I feel sorry for Ukwenzo, because this mess that he's about to find out, I don't think he knew what his family did to Jabu's father. I think it's only Uvusi and the rest that knew. I don't know Ukwenzo. I don't know if Ukwenzo knew. And then as well, I don't know if he's also going to find out that Sibongile knew as well, and she kept quiet. So it's a shame, guys. Agapumuli, guys. It's one thing after another, and I just feel sorry for him, because at this point, it can feel like, does these people really love me to keep such things from me? But listen, Unjengaya discovers Ujabu's real identity, and listen, I can't wait for that time, because it's about to go down. But the betrayal that Uvusi must be feeling, you guys, and I know Unjenga is going to put all the blame on Uvusi, because we know how it is. So Uvusi nae, he's about to go through it. But listen, Jay, the whole Dlamini household, I will, guys, Zizo Booyah. Anyway, tell me what you think of these teasers for the upcoming week. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.